Florida's law preventing abortions after 15 weeks of pregnancy remains in effect, even though a challenge to it will be heard in Florida's Supreme Court. The justices rejected a call to temporarily halt the law until the case is heard. As the legal battle plays out, questions are swirling over lawmakers' further restrictions. News Channel 8's Capitol Bureau reporter Libby Dean spoke with lawmakers about the implications a decision in the case could have.
State lawmakers who support furthering abortion restrictions are optimistic today, while those who want more access are disappointed to see this ban remain in place while the case plays out. Florida's Supreme Court making a decision late Monday night. The state's 15-week abortion ban will remain in effect while the broader lawsuit plays out.
It's incredibly disappointing that a law that's been deemed unconstitutional by a local judge continues to be enforced while litigation proceeds.
State Representative Eskamani expects even wider spread implications for women seeking abortions in Florida.
I'm glad to see the courts have not completely shut their doors on us in fighting this law, but the impact on patients continues to be really devastating.
The door may not be completely shut, and anti-abortion lawmakers think it's wide open.
I think it's a tell.
State Representative Randy Fine thinks the path is clearing for further restrictions.
I think it's a reasonably good indicator that we will have a 15-week abortion ban in the state of Florida.
Despite widespread criticism, the governor has stayed relatively quiet on the issue. A spokesperson says the governor remains committed to protecting what's on the books. It's unlikely the court will rule before the legislative session ends, but lawmakers could enact a trigger law, some mulling policy of a ban between 6 and 12 weeks. There's not a set time for oral arguments yet, and it'll likely be weeks or even months before there's ultimately a decision in this case. Reporting from Tallahassee, Libby Dean, 8 on your side.